here is a one user root and file here. I am going to remove this attribute, and I am going to first switch sudo asu. Okay, now I am going to change the permission chmod 660-252. So in this what I have used, now you can check out here the file to the owner. Who is the owner? Owner can read and write, and group can read write. Who is the group? Root. And already you know student is the part of the root, so student can read it and write it. Okay, let me check here. Like I am going to switching as a student 102, and he can read this file 2. Student can read this file. He can write the file also. Why? Because he is the member of this group. So I am going to set the facl, set specific command for this. I am going to exit here and set facl modification for the user. User is a student 02 and having the permission execute only, not read, not write, of the file 2. Okay, get facl and the file 2. So you can see student neither read neither execute. So I am going to switch as a student. If everything is fine, so student cannot write into the file. So let me check if it's able to write into the file or not. ABC once more. Write inside the file 2. So permission is denied. No problem. I am going to use the cat file 2. So permission is denied. Even some time before, student was able to check the content of the file, but when I will implement here the facl access control list, which will define, it cannot do anything. Okay, so this is the implementation of the facl. I hope now you have understood.